Hey guys, today we're going to do a tutorial on installing the Puregear screen protector. And we have all the contents of the Puregear screen protector package laid out on the table. And just as a reminder, this screen protector we will be installing will be applied to a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. Currently, as part of the instructions, we have placed the phone into the plastic tray already. And here's a final check of the 9 steps laid out in the instruction pamphlet that was included. And the first thing we're going to do is open the cleaning kit containing the soft wipe and the alcohol wipe. We'll then take the alcohol wipe and we're going to rub down the phone screen to ensure it is 100% clean. After that, we will wipe the screen dry using the soft wipe. We'll then take the Puregear sticker and apply that to the screen to remove any residual dust. It's important to be very thorough with these cleaning steps before we actually apply the screen protector on top. Now we're going to use our fingers to hold onto the tab labeled B so we can remove the plastic frame covering the sticky side of the screen protector. Then using our other hand, we're going to use our fingers to hold the green tab so we can fold down the screen protector over the entire phone display. Then we're going to be very meticulous about pressing down onto the screen protector to ensure it is laying exactly flat onto the phone with no gaps and no air bubbles. Next, we're going to use our fingers to hold onto the green tab and slowly peel the plastic back from the screen protector. Then use one of the cotton swabs to rub down onto the circle where the fingerprint sensor is located. Rub it down until it is completely black. And the last step is to remove the phone from the tray and start enjoying to use your phone.